Yeah. We're looking for a World War II airplane that lays over in the near the river, near a clearing. Would you know where it is, or know which village could give us a guide to take us to it?
I know.
You know? It's near that big clearing we were over, right? I know it's in the bush, but that big clearing that we were at, we can walk to it from there, right? We've landed at a little village near Brahman, and we're going to fly one of the men in. Says he knows where the P38 is, and we've flown over the site. It looks very similar. I mean, I recognize the clearing, recognize the site, so I think we're in the right spot. Log here. We've been searching for about 2 hours. We came in close but couldn't find it. We tried on our own, got the natives to help us. After some time we were able to locate the P38. Unfortunately, we're in water up to our knees, which is going to severely complicate our efforts to salvage this aircraft. Yeah, it's definitely full of mud. What do you guys think? Is there hope?
Well, look, you've got exfoliation that runs in here, and that just travels, just grows straight down your main spar cap. That's your main spar cap.
Tree probably was there, wasn't it?
Well, likely. And people get moved and they don't know what they got.